quite big, so we thought.
Yeah, so hi everyone.
I'm Valerie.
I'm Christina from Queen of Arts Couture Cakes London.
And today it's going to be unboxing day.
Yes, so can you see the smiles on our faces? Yes, so it's like Christmas came in early
I
for
know.
both of us.
Well, it's Burr months anyway. So, but these are some of well, we've got a package from our friend, one of our dearest friends in the Philippines, DLA Naturals Incorporated.
Yeah, so we actually cannot wait what's inside these boxes. They arrived yesterday.
Yes.
So yeah, we decided to hang on for
A day.
Yeah. Kept our excitement inside of us, and here goes. So
Yeah,
I
so
think
let's
we should
start open. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so well, basically you've got a smaller box, so that is yours.
Oh, wow.
Here's all mine.
Well, we honestly don't know what's inside, so we're really excited. I really hope. I was really eyeing for one of their newest products, which is the ube or the taro filling. So I really hope that there's some in this box.
So this is going. That's yours, and this is mine.
Okay.
Look, it's still cold actually. That is supposed to be mine, Valerie.
Ta-da! This is the one.
Is that one? Yeah.
Yes. Ube.
Okay, so
well,
can I play with
no,
your
no,
box?
No. Ube is actually a Filipino word for taro. So it's a root crop, isn't it?
It is.
It's a root crop, but typically in the Philippines they make it as dessert. So we're really excited with this.
Excited what's
So
inside your box.
yeah, well, you said this is my box. So we've got a couple of them.
Yeah. Oh wow! Look at this size. It's 630 grams.
Yeah.
So
There's so many things that you can do with it already. And blueberry. Oh wow.
Filling.
Yeah. And their products are actually sourced from different countries. Like blueberries, I think, I don't know. I'm not really sure, but Canada or somewhere.
And you are gonna go crazy on this one. It's called Kalara Ube. Oh wow. Look at this.
Well, does it say where it came from?
Yeah, I should wear my glasses like
No.
this. Eh?
Well, I see. I'm right. Canada. That's from Canada. The blueberries are from Canada. Ooh, and some more.
All together, this is apple filling and topping.
Apple. Wow.
So we've got ube,
Another one.
ube, apple, and blueberry.
I'm very excited. Apple.
So actually, guys, we cannot wait to use these products. Get to try everything.
Yes. I mean, think about pies and even just fillings. And I know they have a lot of other products. They have jams, concentrates, glazes, and that's done. That's a lot.
My next problem would be we're trying to go on a diet, but
Wow.
it doesn't seem to happen soon. So yeah, that's fine.
But hey, it's the new normal, right?
Right.
Okay,
So
what do
we
you have?
have here Couture dark chocolate.
Couture, chocolate,
favorite,
yes.
yeah.
I love dark chocolate.
And this is me, white chocolate.
Yes.
So I think we've got a good excuse now to do some chocolate cakes with chocolate ganache. Everything here. And more chocolates. So can you read what's in that one?
This one is, let's see, nicely packed, by the way.
Okay, so you are on to more surprises in this box.
I can't see it. Nice. Okay.
Right, so I'm just gonna put this down now.
Yep. They're a Belgian family own company, and they're based in the Philippines. We were supposed to actually go to their manufacturing plant.
Last March, yeah.
But there was a lockdown,
Yeah,
so
there was a lockdown.
everything was just gone.
We actually literally blocked 2 days, just 3 days actually, yeah?
Yeah.
3 days just to have a tour in their factory, in their plant, meet everyone there, yeah, but you know, Corona happened.
That's a lot. Okay, well, can
you
you try
going
and
to try
open
now?
some of them? Well, this is Couture chocolate from Madagascar, sourced from Madagascar. And this one is another Couture chocolate from Madagascar as well. I love the packaging, simple and elegant.
So how do you guys...
Compound chocolate. We've got Couture, compound chocolate.
I think we've got Couture and compound chocolate.
Ah, yes.
So guys, you know what? I can see that these are actually a lot of products already, but to be honest, they have loads of products, very good products actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you can have a look again on their website, it's DLA-Naturals.com, and you will get to see all their products there, the rest of the products which we are yet to try when we come back to the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we also have tried their I forgot the name, but it looks like in this bottle. It's like one of the fruit concentrates, and they're just amazing with like juices, additional flavor, even for baking.
Bubble teas.
Exactly.
No, actually we tried there's blueberry, there's passion fruit,
Yes,
which is
I love
their
the
absolute
passion
best
fruit.
seller, yeah.
Yeah.
And so much more.
And mango as well. We did
Yeah.
try that. So
And strawberry.
there's so much, guys. Glazes, so much. And I can't wait to just try all the recipes that they have on their website.
We personally can't wait to try to do Sans Rival.
Which is one of my favorites, by the way.
It's cake. It's her favorite. Cake is always her favorite. Well, we cannot wait to do Branded Mercedes. We can do Sans Rival. We can do mousses, different kinds of mousses, yeah? So this is going to be an excellent excuse to have dessert for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Exactly. So stay tuned, guys, and we're going to explore these fantastic products that we've received today. Again, DLA Naturals, thank you very much. And
Thank you.
yeah, we can't wait to try all your amazing products.
Yeah, and it's never too late to explore on Ubi Pansa.
Absolutely. See you guys.
Thank you, DLA, again.